Hi everyone. So I'm going to take you through how to change cases in Excel. So unlike Word, where we have the change case here, where you can just click on it and switch between uppercase, lowercase, and then centers case. Excel do not have something like that, but you can still change cases in Excel, and that is through using an Excel function. I already have this data here, so I'm going to take you through how to change between capital letters, small letters, and then the centers keys. So first of all, let's begin with the uppercase letters. If you want uppercase letters, the formula is just as in any function in Excel, you have to start with equal to, then you just have to type upper, then you open bracket, then you make reference to the cell you want to change its letters to uppercase. Say I want to change these Jones to uppercase, I just have to click on it, then I have to close the bracket. I press enter on my keyboard and the Jones is changed to uppercase letter. So if I want to apply this to all the other names on my sales rep column, I just have to put my mouse cursor here, then I double click and then automatically it works for all the other names on the column. Again, if I want to change all these to lowercase, I'm going to press my equal to again, then this time the function is lower. So I just have to type lower, then I open bracket. This time I'm going to make the reference to the Jones, the capital letter Jones. You can also make reference to this one, but because I want you to see how the uppercase is changed to the lowercase, I'm going to use this one. If you use these two, it will work for you. Then I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to close the bracket. I hit on enter, and then that is changed to lowercase for me. Again, I double click here, and then all the others are changed to lowercase for me. Let's try the last one, which is the centers case. That one I have to press my equal sign again. Then this time the function is proper. I have to type in proper, then I just open my bracket. I can refer to any one of these, but this one is already in the proper case, so I prefer to refer to the uppercase again. Then I have to close the bracket. I hit down my enter, and then I have Jones changed to the proper case. Again, double click, and then all these have changed to the centers case or the proper case. So this is a very easy way to switch between cases in Excel because you don't have the change case function in Excel. These are formulas you can easily use to switch between the cases.